we are back with AccuWeather's weather prediction for this hurricane season. All of the orange dots are where they're predicting to have tropical storms, and then the red one is where they're predicting to have some hurricanes. Now, is this going to be accurate? I have no idea. That's why I'm going to post it, and then I guess we'll see in like 8 months to see how good at predicting they were. They're predicting some over here, pretty much everywhere. Honestly, they put dots pretty much everywhere. So is that really accurate? I don't know. We shall see. Florida obviously being a hotspot, but they are predicting like Southwest Florida again, which is us. I don't know. What do you guys think? Is this too early to tell?